Tonight we're going to look at Nehemiah, the very first one. Alright, so it'll be Nehemiah 1, 4 through 9. We're going to go, it's a little shorter than the other lessons, but it's our first lesson, and so it is a lot of ice breaking. So I have a lot of work to do. I need a volunteer to read scripture, and since Marissa has already prayed, who will read scripture? Riley. Okay, you want to read this for us?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
4. When I had heard these things, I sat and wept. What?
You are volunteering to bring sweetness.
You said
you don't have to. You said that for it.
You can if you want to, because I don't like to know.
4.
Somebody switch.
It's okay, keep going. Forget that we were laughing. But we just thought it was cute.
When I heard these things, I sat down and wept. For some days I mourned and fasted and prayed before the God of heaven. Then I said, Lord, the God of heaven, the great and awesome God, who keeps his covenant of love with those who love him and keep his commandments. Let your ear be attentive and your eyes open to hear the prayer. Your servant is praying before you day and night. Go.
That's how they say faux out here in the country. Perfect.
Forward.
Okay, you're doing a good job.
Keep going. Exactly like.
We gave her some
exactly what's
obstacles.
on the paper.
Yeah.
Don't
Okay, you can keep going.
Your servants, the people of Israel. I confess the sins of the Israelites, including myself and my father's family. I have committed against you. We have acted very wickedly towards you. We have not obeyed the commandments, decrees, and laws you gave your servant Moses. Remember the instruction you gave your servant Moses, saying, if you are unfaithful, I will scatter you among the nations. But if you return to me and obey my commands, then even if you are excited, people are
Exiled.
Nobody gets excited over me.
Okay. Well, the D's cut off.
Actually, I think that's why it said faux. Just, it's probably because the R's cut.
Yeah, it looks like a couple things.
People are at the farthest horizon. I will gather them from there and bring them to the place I have chosen as dwelling for my name.
Good job.
Good job.
Yay. She deserves a round of applause. I was